You've had a Silverado for 5 years and just found out it has a secret button that can save you in an emergency. I'm serious. I showed this to 12 Silverado owners last week. None of them knew. One guy almost cried because he said, "Man, I could have used this 3 times already." And that's just number 7. Wait till you see number 1. It completely changes how you use the truck. And it's been there, hidden the whole time. If you have a Silverado and think you know everything about it, stay till the end because I guarantee at least 4 of these you didn't know. And if you knew all 7, comment Silverado Master because I want to meet you. Let's go. We previously posted a video here discussing some hidden features in the Chevrolet Silverado that 99% of owners don't know their own car has. So we've brought you a clearer, more to the point version of this information. I literally spent 6 weeks studying manuals, talking to GM technicians, and test driving Silverados from 2007 to 2024. And I discovered that Chevrolet hides a lot of useful features that they simply don't teach you at the dealership. Why? Because the salesperson has 20 minutes to deliver the truck to you. There's no time to explain everything. But today, you'll learn in 8 minutes what took me 6 weeks to discover. And before we continue, subscribe to the channel because here I only bring information that really makes a difference in your daily life. No bullshit. Let's get straight to the point. Feature number 7, hidden panic button. Starting with the most important, your Silverado has an emergency system that nobody knows about. If you lock your keys inside the truck or the key fob battery dies, there's a way to unlock it without calling a locksmith. How it works. 2014 plus Silverados have a factory numeric code. It's written on a small sticker inside the glove box or on the side of the infotainment center. Need to remove it. With that code, you go to the driver's door handle and do a sequence of taps. The truck unlocks itself. I tested this on a 2019 Silverado. It works. What to do now? Open your Silverado's glove box today and look for that sticker. Take a photo and save it on your phone. You'll thank me when you lock your keys inside one day. A guy told me I paid $120 for a locksmith because I didn't know this. Feature number 6, smart towing. 2015 plus Silverado with touchscreen has an insane feature that 95% ignore, automatic tow mode. When you connect the trailer, the truck adjusts suspension automatically, changes transmission mapping, shuts off unnecessary cylinders to save fuel, and activates rear camera with towing lines. But here's the secret, you can activate this manually even without a trailer connected. Why do this? If you're climbing a steep grade or carrying weight in the bed without a trailer, activate tow mode. The truck works much better. How to activate? Menu, settings, vehicle, tow mode, activate. I tested this on a 12% grade with cargo. The difference is insane. Transmission holds gears, doesn't hunt. Feature number 5, secret rear wiper. Silverados with a tonneau cover or cap have this, but nobody knows. If you have a power sliding rear window, the one that opens, it has an integrated wiper that almost nobody uses. Where it is, wiper control on the steering column has an extra position at the end beyond off, low, high. This extra position activates the rear wiper. Sounds obvious? I asked 8 owners with power rear windows. None knew. When to use? Heavy rain, rear visibility, dirt roads, dust stuck on window. Snow, it accumulates fast. A guy drove 4 years with a Silverado and never saw this wiper work. Thought it was broken. Feature number 4, hidden 110-volt outlet. This is gold and almost nobody knows. Silverado High Country, LTZ, and some Trail Boss come with a factory 110-volt outlet, not that little USB port, an actual wall outlet, 400 watts. Where it is? Behind the rear seat, left side, inside the bed on some versions, under the rear seat 2019 plus models. What you can use: charge laptop, run power drill, portable fridge, camping lights, battery charger. Literally a home outlet inside the truck. I met a guy who uses this to work in the field, runs power tools straight from the Silverado, saves on generators. How to know if yours has it? Check the manual or look physically. If it has it, there'll be a protective cover with an outlet symbol. Feature number 3, adjustable stability control. Everyone knows you can turn off traction control, but almost nobody knows you can adjust the level. 2019 Plus Silverado has this. How it works? Hold the TC button for 5 seconds. On the dash it says Off-Road Mode activated. This doesn't turn it completely off, but relaxes the control. Difference? Normal mode, control cuts out fast. Safe, but annoying. Off-Road Mode lets you have more control. Good for mud, sand, snow. Complete Off Mode, no assistance at all. Emergency only. I tested this in sand. In normal mode, the truck cuts out all the time. In off-road mode, you can maintain momentum. A guy who works on a farm told me, 5 years driving and never knew there was this intermediate option. Feature number 2, mirror with hidden camera. 2020 Plus Silverado with digital mirror has this, but there's a trick nobody knows. The mirror has 2 camera modes. Mode 1, normal rear camera. Everyone knows this. Camera view in the mirror, standard angle. Mode 2, panoramic camera. Almost nobody knows this. Tap twice on the mirror, it has a touch sensor. Camera switches to ultra-wide view. You see both sides of the bed too. When this is useful, maneuvering with wide trailer, parking in tight spot, see if there's something on the sides of the bed, monitor cargo in bed while driving. I tested this and was shocked. It's like having 3 cameras at once. Feature number 1, secret suspension adjustment. And number 1, which nobody knows and changes everything, Silverado with magnetic suspension, magnetic ride control, has a hidden mode that makes it much more comfortable or much firmer. How to access? Put it in park, turn off the engine, turn it back on while holding the drive mode button. Shows on dash, maximum comfort mode or performance mode. Difference? Maximum comfort, ultra soft suspension like luxury car. Performance, locked suspension like heavy-duty work truck. When to use? Long highway trip, maximum comfort. Heavy towing, performance. Light off-road, comfort. Heavy off-road, performance. This is not in the manual, a GM technician showed me unofficially. I tested both modes, the difference is night and day. It's like having 2 different trucks. So summarizing the 7, secret suspension adjustment, mirror with panoramic camera, adjustable traction control, hidden 110-volt outlet, secret rear wiper, manual tow mode, emergency code. Now tell me, how many of these did you already know? Comment the number. And if you knew all 7, comment Silverado Master and I'll respond personally. And if this video showed you something new about your own truck, hit that like button because it really helps the channel grow and bring more content like this. Next week, I'm going to show you the 5 mistakes you're making when parking your Silverado that are destroying expensive components. And one of them, 80% of owners do every day. Don't miss it. Thanks and see you next time.